to see if we need to drive there or if they're gonna take us there or whatever. So I'm excited. It's like a zoo, but not a zoo because they're not like
cages.
Yeah, cages. There you go.
Some of them are very old trees, like this one. It's a petrified wood.
Oh, okay.
But now it has turned into a stone.
Okay.
It's very hard.
Oh yeah.
But they were once trees.
Yes. Wow.
And then we have the obsidian, which is the precious black stone.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
And rose quartz.
Hey, rose quartz.
Most people refer to as a healing stone. Yeah.
Exactly.
Then here we have the big clam shells. These were once sea creatures. Yeah.
Dang.
So you'll find when you go to the sea beaches, you'll find them crawling out. Very tiny ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So once they were big like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have the orange marbles. We have the aventurines. Yeah. So,
amethyst. My favorite. Okay. Wow.
this is where kids come and learn,
Okay.
take books and read.
Okay.
Then here we have some tiny tortoise. How are you? Tiny tortoise.
Oh.
Yeah, this was.
Baby.
Yeah, these are baby tortoise.
Oh, baby turtle.
They are called the leopard tortoise.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm running away from here. Wow.
So adorable.
So they start from egg and then they hatch out. Then we bring them here, feed them here.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
So we have 9 of them.
Put them down in there. Hold us back.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you. We're gonna have some good.
What
Oh,
children do when they come to the library, they study about the life cycle.
okay.
Yeah, which starts from the egg, the larva, then the pupa, and then the adult butterfly.
Right.
Yeah. Then they try to do all this paperwork, all that, the paintings. Yeah.
Okay.
And then they write
So this butterfly
short
before?
stories about the butterfly.
I heard of these two butterflies. That one too. I saw that one.
That's
Mother,
the
I saw
Ophelia.
that one before. What is it called?
It's called the
I
Christmas
Oh, I see
butterfly.
the monarch too.
Yeah.
Some
Oh, look,
green
Tete, you about to step on one.
yeah, this is one of it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I looked up on you. I have to watch this.
See? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
one
Look,
in your
one
hand.
up there.
Ah.
You see that?
Oh.
Then another one is here. Look at this one.
Oh.
Mm.
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's in there for podcasts. Just like a museum.
And then here we have quite many here.
Oh,
See
yes.
there?
Oh, so nice.
So they feed on these oranges.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Juices.
for the children.
And they drink water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Then here we have some
I want one
water.
at my house.
These are the white and the purple water lilies.
Mm.
Yeah. So the monarch really breed very fast, but the other ones normally take quite a longer time.
It's very beautiful so far, everyone. I already recommend this place. Yeah. Giraffe trees. And I say we're gonna ride in here.
Yeah. This is gonna be fun.
Yes. Oh.
Smallest antelopes that we have around.
Okay.
It's
It's a wild beast. The ones which migrate from Kenya to Tanzania.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm. Wow.
Then here we have got quite a number of them.
That's a big old head. Oh wow.
Butterflies or birds? Birds.
Ostrich eggs.
Wow.
Wow.
So big.
So we removed the content in, placed them here.
Okay.
So down there,
Oh yeah.
this one.
Let's touch it now.
And here's another one.
Oh yeah.
No bird.
These are called guinea fowls. It's called the guinea fowls.
Okay.
We normally let them run out. They like running out.